Hey guys, it's Raim from Killer Inc. And today I'm going to be showing you the Cheyenne Clear Craft Cartridges. Cheyenne cartridges are some of the most recognisable in the industry, and now the German manufacturer has given its well-known craft carts a facelift. So let's take a closer look. Cheyenne Clear Craft Cartridges have all the qualities you have come to expect from Cheyenne. Excellent needle cartridges that are easy to use and replace. Cheyenne has updated its craft cartridges to now include a colourless, transparent housing for a clearer view of the ink flow within. In addition, Cheyenne has slightly adapted the shape of the clear craft cartridges with grooves and a sleeker shape to support handling when changing cartridges and during tattooing. What sets the Cheyenne Clear Craft carts apart from their other cartridges is the simplified design. The plastic tips are made from a single mold of medical grade plastic and are designed to withstand the continuous movement of the needles, so they will not break up and release small bits of plastic into your client's skin. Cheyenne's Clear Craft cartridges feature an internal safety membrane that will protect your machine and client by stopping any fluids moving up and down the tip. The Clear Craft cartridges are compatible with cartridge grips and machines that accept Cheyenne type needle cartridges and come in one of 4 configurations: liner, shader, magnum and soft edge magnum. Made in Germany, these Cheyenne Clear Craft cartridges are available in boxes of 10 or 20 and can be ordered from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the facelifted Cheyenne Clear Craft cartridges? Will you be picking up a box or 2 for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.